Right. In this video today, I will show you how you can check in online with PNG Air. Now with Guinea, I'm pretty sure all of you have known about how you can do online check-in with Guinea. But with PNG Air, not so many people know how to do online check-in with PNG Air. So I'll be showing you in this video as to how you can go about in checking online with PNG Air once you have purchased a ticket to travel with them. All right, let's go. So you see, now once you are here on their website, PNG's website, just click, just type www.pnga.com.pg and you'll be taken to this website. And this is the website that you can pay for the flights online. If you want to know how to do uh, online bookings with PNG Air, you can watch this video here. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can check in online prior to your travel. So you see the writings here given up here: flight, manage booking, and corporate logging. You'll have to click the manage booking option. Once you click the manage booking option, you then will enter your surname here. Like I've just bought a ticket for my mom to travel from Wewak to Vanimo, and she'll be traveling back to Wewak. And now, as I'll be walking you through how you can check in online, I'll be doing it live here for my mom to travel back from Vanimo to Wewak on Saturday, tomorrow morning. So let me check her booking reference first. Booking reference. Okay. Her booking reference is, let me see. Um, okay. AGL, right? As their name. Wow, why is not okay? Right? Okay, the booking reference, it's AGL SMS. It's AGL SMS. So you see, I've written the surname and the booking reference already, and then I'll click OK. And you see, I'm about to check in now. The option is given here. See, that's a name, the traveling route from Vanimo to Wewak. This is the flight number, CG 8639, 11 July, which is tomorrow. She'll depart at 7:15 and arrive at Boram Airport 8:15. Exactly 1 hour travel time. Once I have confirmed all these details, I then click check-in. You see, it's now set checked in, meaning I have already checked in for her. I'll now have to print the boarding pass. Click this option. You want to print it right from the printer. If your laptop or desktop is connected to a printer, or your phone is connected to a printer, or otherwise you can just email to your own email. Like in my case, I will just email it to my own email, and later I will just download it and forward it to her through her WhatsApp. Say success, boarding pass emailed to my email here, and that's it. I have already checked in and got my boarding pass to travel. So that's basically how you can check in online with PNG Air. Thank you for watching.